In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just getting started with Clickup or looking to improve your workflow efficiency, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you can seamlessly set up tasks and organize your assignments. Let's begin by going to the Clickup website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Clickup URL to access their homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a login button. Click that button and you'll be prompted to choose how you want to log into your Clickup account. Next, you'll need to click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, saving you some time from entering your details manually. Select the appropriate Google account you wish to use, and with a few clicks, you're inside your Clickup workspace. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. Your workspace is where all your projects live, and from here, you can manage your tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration. Once you're in your workspace, you'll want to locate the specific view for the project or list where you'd like to create your new task. This ensures you're adding the task to the correct location, keeping everything organized. With your workspace view open, look for the option that says Add Task. You should see this prominently displayed, often marked by a plus sign or a New Task button. Click it and you'll be prompted with a task creation form. At this point, the task creation form is open, allowing you to fill in all the necessary details for your new task. Start by typing in the task name. Make it clear and concise, ensuring anyone looking at it understands its purpose. Next, assign the task to the right individual. If you're working with a team, select a team member who will be responsible for completing the task. Setting the due date is crucial for time management, so be sure to include that as well. Finally, add any additional details or descriptions that provide context to the task. This might include instructions, links, or anything else the assignee needs to know. Once everything is filled in to your liking, the final step is to click Create Task. This action will officially add your new task to the selected view within your workspace, and voila, you have successfully created a task in Clickup. And there you have it, a straightforward process to organize your work and increase productivity using Clickup. Practice creating tasks to become more familiar with the platform, and before long, you'll be navigating it with ease and efficiency.